Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix licensing errors on smartphones or tablets, especially involving expired or misallocated licenses for paid apps or productivity suites like Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Adobe, and more. Common symptoms of licensing errors: license expired or no valid license found. App features are locked despite active subscription. Incorrect user or account is being used. Activation limit exceeded. Step-by-step guide to fix licensing errors. Step 1. Identify the affected app and user account. Note which app is showing the licensing error. Go to the App Settings or About section to check which account is currently signed in. Verify that this is the correct licensed account, like company email for enterprise apps. Step 2. Sign out and re-sign in with the correct licensed account. Open the app. Go to Account Profile Settings. Sign out of the current account. Sign in with the licensed account. For Microsoft apps, use the Microsoft 365 email. For Google Workspace, use the organization's Google account. For Adobe apps, use the Adobe ID tied to the license. This refreshes the license token. Step 3. Clear app cache or reinstall the app if needed. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, App Name, Storage, Clear Cache, and Clear Data. On iOS, uninstall and reinstall the app. After reinstalling, sign in again with the correct account. Reinstallation is helpful when cache license tokens are corrupted or outdated. Step 4. Check subscription status for Microsoft 365. Visit https://account.microsoft.com/services, personal, or https://portal.office.com/account, business. Ensure subscription is active and assigned to the correct user in the Microsoft Admin Center. For Google Workspace, admins, check user licenses in the Google Admin Console. Ensure the user has a valid and active license assigned. For Adobe, log into https://account.adobe.com and check plan status, active, expired, number of activated devices, maximum is 2 for individual plans. Step 5. Deactivate unused devices if license limit is reached. For Adobe, manage devices under account.adobe.com, plans, activated devices. For Microsoft, go to portal.office.com, My Account, Devices, and remove old activations. Re-sign in after clearing unused devices. Step 6. Contact admin or license manager for business users. If the issue persists and you're on a business enterprise plan, contact the IT or system admin. Ask them to reassign the license, remove and re-add the user to the licensed group. Confirm there's no conflict with duplicate accounts or aliases. Step 7. Check for app updates and OS compatibility. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Some apps fail licensing checks if they are outdated. Ensure the OS is not too old to support current licensing protocols. Step 8. Check network restrictions or firewall settings, MDM Enterprise. If the device is managed through Intune, Jamf, or another MDM, ensure it can reach the licensing servers. Microsoft, *.microsoft.com. Adobe, *.adobe.com. Google, *.google.com. Check if VPNs or firewalls are blocking access to license validation URLs. Extra tips. Restart the device after applying the above steps. Use incognito mode in browsers to sign in and test license validity online. Use support tools logs provided by some vendors, for example, Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant, Adobe Log Collector tool, if needed. Would you like a specific fix guide for Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, or Adobe licenses on mobile devices? I can provide tailored steps for those too.